Go.
Hey gang, welcome back to Charles Food Reviews. I'm here with my medium Oreo Blizzard at Dairy Queen. Here we have my cutie patootie son, Steve. I stole him from my ex-wife. Low-key, that was like kind of medium and like a little Oreo. I'd give it like a 7 out of 10.
All right, I got a medium cotton candy blizzard, and it was the same price as his. But mine's better. It's kind of crunchy. You know, it's very medium and very cotton candy. I would give this a 7 out of 10.
What the fuck do you think you are?
Hey, such no way to treat your dad.
What's up, guys? I'm Charles Food Reviews, and we got this Oreo Mint Blizzard. It's very medium Oreo and a minty blizzard, and I'd give it like a 7 out of 10.
He cannot get the restaurant right. He's called it a Frosty. He's called it
A Mint Blizzard? Bro, why? I thought you were the Charles Food Review and Nader.
I am.
Well, why didn't you say
He's
that?
the McBusy in these. He's the McBusy.
Man, this guy's love Mint Blizzies.